Now that you've learned to relax and release the muscles at the center of your body, the back, the abdominals, and the waist, you're ready to move your hips. There are many reasons why stiffness can occur in the hips, one being when we sit too much. Remembering how to move your hips up and down, which I like to call hiking the hips, will make it easier to walk long distances, walk up the stairs, and run. It also helps to prevent sore knees and feet. So let's begin to move the hips more intentionally. Begin on your back with your right knee up and your right foot planted near your hips. Straighten your left leg on the floor. Your hips should be relaxed and square on the floor. Bring your hands up to your waist so that you can feel your waist muscles as they move. Gently slide or hike your right hip upward in the direction of your armpit. Feel how the waist muscles tighten on the left side and lengthen on the right side. Now slowly slide your hip back to neutral and relax. You can take your fingers away if you like. Let's repeat this several times, hiking the hip up, then slowly relaxing it back to neutral. Notice how one side of your waist lengthens as the other side shortens. As you hike, the sacrum and pelvis turn like a steering wheel. Make sure your back is relaxed on the floor and that it doesn't arch to help out. Your hip is sliding along the floor or the mat as it hikes up and then relaxes down. Now let's do the same movement, only this time, instead of focusing on hiking your hip upward, focus on reaching the left leg long. Notice how reaching down with the left leg causes the right hip to hike up involuntarily. It's the same movement of hip hiking, only this time you're focusing on lengthening instead of shortening. Relax your hip back to neutral. Do the same sequence on the other side, first hiking the hip upward, then reaching down with the opposite leg. Notice any differences in your ability to move the right hip as compared to the left hip. And remember to do the movement slowly and gently without pushing or forcing. In your daily life, try to allow the hips to swing a little when you walk. It will make walking much easier.